Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your speaker Harman Kardon Aura Studio 3. To reset your speaker, you should press and hold Bluetooth button right here and volume up button for at least 10 seconds. So I'm just press and hold it. Okay, we can see a light, so it means that we make hard reset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.